what is equilibrium market? Equilibrium market is a combination or the meeting point between demand curve and supply curve at this point. This is what we call as equilibrium point, which at this point we will have what we call as equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity. Okay, this is basically the optimum point or the best point of output or price that we have in the market. For some reasons, equilibrium point will change. The equilibrium will change if there is a disturbance to the present market conditions. This could come about through a change in supply conditions. For example, there is an increase in the cost of production. Supply will shift to the left, which will result in S1. Okay, this is the result of increase in the cost of production. The initial equilibrium point is at this point. As you can see here, the equilibrium point will change. Alright? From this point X to point Y. Okay, this is what we call as market effect. So, what will happen to the market price? Due to increase in the cost of production. This is the equilibrium point, the original equilibrium point. Then what will happen to the price? We have price 1, the price will increase. So what is the market effect? Okay, the market effect will be increase in price. How about the quantity? From point X to point Y, what will happen to the quantity? The quantity will decrease. Okay, eventually decrease because the price is increasing, so the quantity will decrease. This is what we call as market effect. Now you can apply all the factors influencing either demand curve or supply curve to get the market effect. We try to do more examples. What will happen to the market price? What will happen to the quantity due to changes in either demand curve or supply curve? Okay, we move on to the second example. Given the situation where your income or the income of the consumers are increasing. Increase in income, how will it affect the demand curve? Okay, increase in income, it will increase the demand curve because now you have more purchasing power. Alright? You have more purchasing power and you start to demand more. So, what will happen? Demand curve will shift to the right. Will give you D1. So this is the original or the initial equilibrium point. Okay, let's do this together. What will be the market effect when there's a change in demand curve? When there's an increase in demand curve, what will be the market effect? So this will be your new equilibrium point. Don't forget to plot your diagram. This is very important. So the market effect will be the price will increase in price, and increase in quantity for good A. Okay, we move on to the next example. How about when there's a situation where you have two factors that will affect both of the curves, that will affect demand curve and supply curve at the same time? How you're going to have the market effect? Okay, let's just combine together the factors influencing demand supply curve that we have discussed just now. Bear in mind, you have to state first where is the original or the initial point of equilibrium. This is the original point of equilibrium. Okay? Where we have S touches D at this point. This is the original point. So when you have this situation, where will be the new equilibrium point? Can you have a guess? Will it be at this point, X, or will it be at this point, Y, or will it be at this point, Z? Okay, the new equilibrium point will be at this point. Okay, market effect will be increase in price. Okay, when you look at this quantity, what happened to the quantity? There's no change in the quantity. Yes? But will it be possible if there's a change in the quantity? Yes, it is possible. It depends on the degree of shift. Okay, we are still using the same factors, increase in cost of production and increase in income, but let's say the increase in income, the effect of increase in income is larger than the effect of increase in cost of production. Meaning that increase in income, it will lead to a very high increase in demand. For example, the demand shift to the right up to this point, giving you D1. This is your original point still, and your new equilibrium point is at this point. Okay? So what will be your new price? What will be the market effect for this situation? Price still increasing from P to P1. How about the quantity? When you look at the quantity, what happened? The quantity now is increasing as a new market effect, as a market effect. Increase in quantity. This shows that the market effect, when there's a situation where you have two factors influencing both of the demand and supply curve, it depends on the degree of shift of the curve. The result will be different if we have different degree of shift, either on demand curve or supply curve. As a conclusion, the equilibrium position in a market is affected by a shift in the demand, a shift in the supply curve, or a combination of both. Alright? The outcome is that these changes lead to price changes through the workings of the free market mechanism. When back in equilibrium, resources are being efficiently allocated. Thanks for watching.